Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily upload a font on Canva. So first, let's head over to Google Chrome and in the search bar, just type fontspace.com. So in this website, you can see a bunch of different font choices. Just choose a font and click on the download button. So once our font is done downloading, we can now head over to Canva. So in here, just click on any of your existing design, and click on text, then click on add your brand fonts. Scroll down for a little bit, then click on manage uploaded fonts, then choose files. Let's go to our file manager and we can see here the font that we downloaded earlier. Just hold the file, click on more, then click on uncompress. Let's go back to Canva and as you can see the file is now available. Click on the font. Then just click on yes, upload away. And as you can see, we have now successfully uploaded our own font. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily upload your own font on Canva. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!